Okay, as is Sabah, so I already watched this video. Okay, thank you. It's simple to make in Adobe Animate like this one, like smoke like that. Okay, and you just make like this and just export. Yeah. Okay, close and click export as movie like this. Okay, and you can save like smoke ready and just import to Cartoon Animator 4. Okay, you will get this one, and just use opacity. Okay, and like this. Okay, and just play, you will get smoke like that. Okay, now I show you how to create this, so I would like to create new one. I will close this one. Okay, create new file. Simple, just simple, and just do second, yeah, time second and 30 frame. Okay, create it. Sometimes it work in Flash, but sometimes not work in Share. But I would like to try, so I would like to change this fill color. Yeah, choose this one. Okay, and click, and this one click none. Okay, and change to this, and click this one to drag like this. Okay, and after that you click F like video that it show. Okay, we rotate something like this. Okay, similar like this. Okay, click and you click this at the corner like this. Okay, and you click Alt to drag like this one outside. Okay, this left. Okay, okay, and we stop, click Alt, and we drag like this. Okay, to adjust this look good, adjust this curve. Okay, just correct it and look good for this one. Okay, maybe like that. This one I right click to convert to symbol, or click FH. Okay, and this one click just on this smoke. Okay, there's graphic like that. Click OK, and double click inside to this one and click Control H. Sorry, we go to frame 30 and click F6. Okay, click F6 and right click to sharp, create sharp between like that. Okay, and just click Control H. Okay, and the first frame, sorry, Control H at the first frame, so click A. Okay, and Control H again, click B, Control H, click and drag to there, Control H, we show like this and drag to there. Okay, and last frame, Control sorry, this one show D. Okay, C here and B, after that A. Okay, and first frame, so Control H again, E, we can drag down here, Control A, F. Okay, and the last keyframe, F to the right hand side and E to the left hand side, like that. Okay, and now play. Okay, it look like that. So we use only 30 frame, and after that we convert this one to other 3 frame. This one other keyframe every other frame. Okay, click like that. Just right click here, right click and click here and click here. Okay, click. Okay, it skip every one frame. Yeah, every one frame when we play loop. When play loop will look like that. Okay, this one will live like that. This one remain too. Okay, like that. I don't want to make it another keyframe. Okay, so I would like to export. Yeah, export movie or Control Alt Shift S. Okay, click Control Alt Shift S. This one I put on smoke. Okay, smoke E I put in Cartoon Animator project. Probe. Okay, smoke cell. When cell, so I go to their file. So I go to their file. Cartoon, yeah, C cartoon project, probe and smoke. This one. Okay, just open this one and drag and drop. Okay, this one I save. You can download this one, already make it if you want to use it. Okay, so this one effect all. Okay, this one plus smoke 01. Okay, and another one I put smoke 02. This one just drag and drop. Okay, you will get this one a vector file like that. And okay, this one you can use the first frame opacity around, according to you that you want to use that smoke opacity. Okay, and play like that, and you can okay, like that. Because it's a flash file, you cannot adjust speed. Yeah, you cannot adjust speed. I mean the speed of this one that you want it to slow or fast like that. Okay, now I would like to save. Click plus, call smoke 02. Okay, if you like this, I would like provide you for download this one and this one. Okay, you can use it if you want to use it. Okay, and just simple, and you can use as the video that you can send to me. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe if you not yet subscribed. Yeah, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next tutorial. Okay.